Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. It's that Ibbs and today we got something special planned for you. So we're going out to eat something called julbord here in Sweden that roughly translates to Christmas table. So it's a buffet filled with a lot of Christmas food. Stay tuned to see what kind of food it is and also stay to the end to see where we're going. Time for round 2. Alright guys, time for round 2. Let's dig in. The dessert table looked very good, so let's dig in and try it out. The dessert was delicious. The dessert was so good I had to take a second round. So guys, that was very delicious, but we have to take a little break because I'm very full, and then time for some more. Now I think it's time for some ice cream. Alright guys, that was the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next vlog. Thank you.